Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial I will teach you how to edit summer feels presets using Lightroom Mobile. Here are samples of before and after using this preset. Before we begin, please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment on what do you think about this preset. Also please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. First, go to Light and adjust the following. Contrast to -35. Highlights to -68. Shadows to -100. Whites to -100. And blacks to 46. Next, go to Curves and adjust the settings as shown. I copied the settings for faster tutorial. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 12. Tint to -9. Vibrance to 16. Saturation to -10. Next, go to Color Mix. Go to Red. Hue to 28. Saturation to -11. Luminance to 100. Go to Orange. Hue to -4. Saturation to -14. Luminance to 56. Go to Yellow. Hue to -71. Saturation to -12. Go to Green. Hue to -54. Saturation to -64. Luminance to 60. Go to cyan. Hue to -18. Saturation to -21. Luminance to 19. Go to blue. Saturation to -12. Go to magenta. Saturation to -49. Luminance to -54. Next, go to Effects and adjust the clarity to 26. Next, go to Split Tone and adjust the following settings. I copied the settings for faster tutorial. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 27. And color noise reduction to 25. And that's it for the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon for more videos. Thank you.